In this guide, I'll show you how to fix it when the PlayStation Store is not loading on PS5. So the first thing I recommend you do is head on back and we're going to go to settings in the top right corner. Then once you're here, you want to select network and select connection status and go to view PlayStation Network status. There's no sense in troubleshooting this problem if the PlayStation Store is down, which it isn't. So now we're going to go back and you want to test your internet connection and you just want to ensure you're getting the proper download and upload speed for your internet. Now, if everything's good on this end, the next thing you want to do is back out. And then from here, we're going to select network settings and we're going to go to set up internet connection. Now, once you find your Wi-Fi network, press the options button or start button on your controller. And I recommend forgetting and reconnecting to your internet. And same thing goes with checking out your Wi-Fi frequency bands. And if your PS5 is close to your router, select 5 gigahertz. And your PS5 is far away from your router, select 2.4 gigahertz. Now, once you've done that, you can head on back. And I've heard other people say that disconnecting from your internet like this and waiting a few seconds and reconnecting it has fixed other people's issue. But if that doesn't work either, we're now going to go back. And then you want to scroll down and select System and go to System Software and go to System Software Update and Settings and make sure your PS5 is up to date with the latest system software. Now, if it is, we're going to go back now. And under Settings, select Users and Accounts. And another thing you could try is scroll down to Other. And then you want to sign out of your account, assuming you know your sign-in information, and sign back in and check out the PlayStation Store. Now, if that doesn't work either, another thing you could try is press the PlayStation button on your controller. And then you want to scroll down and turn off your console. And once it's fully turned off, you want to unplug the power cable from your home network for 30 to 60 seconds and plug it back in, and then turn on your PS5 and see if the PlayStation Store works. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.